Yeah, through Telegram, Brain at Work. You are all welcome to this educational platform again. Soyez tous les bienvenus, chers frères et sœurs, sur notre programme de True Telegram. Nous sommes là pour nous éduquer un peu sur un chapitre très simple. On se pose la question, est-ce que le Dieu de la Bible, bien sûr, ou bien n'importe quel Dieu, est-ce que le Dieu est omnipotent? Est-ce Dieu omnipotent? Is God omnipotent? This is the question. Is God omnipotent? Est-ce le Dieu est omnipotent? Can God do everything? As the Bible is saying, you and I, practically, empirically, and Socratically, we know that it is not true. But we are coming to back it with verses from the Bible. On connaît déjà que pratiquement le Dieu de la Bible ne peut pas tout faire. Mais prenons quelques exemples de la Bible pour supporter notre cas. Donc, rapidement, on prend ceci. Jésus dit quelque chose. On dit, prenons ceci. Ceci est de la Bible. Luc chapitre 1, verset 37. Luc chapitre 1, verset 37. Luke chapter 1, verse 37. It says, car rien n'est impossible à Dieu. For nothing is impossible with God. Meaning, if you are with God, all things are possible. If you are with God, all things are possible. For with God, all things are possible. Car rien n'est impossible à Dieu. Très bien. Luc chapitre 1, verset 37. Luke chapter 1, the verse number 37. It says, for with God, all things are possible. Accepted. Accepted. We accept that with God all things are possible. Now, brothers and sisters, with the same Bible, avec la même Bible, nous allons vérifier si tout est possible à Dieu. Numéro 1, il n'est pas possible à Dieu de tuer Satan. Il n'est pas possible à Dieu on dit, car Dieu a tant aimé le monde qu'il a donné son Fils unique, afin que quiconque croit en lui ne périsse point, mais qu'il ait la vie éternelle. On se pose la question, pourquoi n'est-il pas possible à Dieu de tuer Satan pour que nous restions en paix? Pour que nous restions en paix. Why is it not easy? Why is it not possible for this world to kill Satan for us to live in peace? If Luke is saying this, if Luke is saying that for with God all things are possible, for with God all things are possible. When Luke is saying that car rien n'est impossible à Dieu, pourquoi n'est-il pas possible à Dieu de tuer Satan pour que nous restions en paix? If for with God all things are possible, why is it not possible for this God to kill Satan for us to live in peace? This is the question. This is the question. All right. Now, chers frères et sœurs, il est toujours bon et il est toujours conseillé de dire la vérité. Il est toujours bon et il est toujours conseillé de dire la vérité. Je sais pourquoi je dis ceci. La Bible a quelque chose à nous dire. Partageons cela entre nous aujourd'hui. Luc dit, avec Dieu, tout est possible. Un autre mot, rien n'est impossible à Dieu. Selon Luc, tout est possible avec Dieu, ou bien rien n'est impossible à Dieu. D'accord. Venons ici. On dit, l'Éternel fut avec Juda, et Juda se rendit maître de la montagne, mais il ne put chasser les habitants de la plaine, parce qu'ils avaient des chars de fer. Juge chapitre 1 verset 19. Juge chapitre 1 verset 19. Il dit, l'Éternel fut avec Juda, et Juda se rendit maître de la montagne. Mais il ne put chasser les habitants de la plaine, car ils avaient des chars de fer. Est-ce que vous comprenez? L'Éternel fut avec Juda, et Juda se rendit maître de la montagne. Mais il ne put chasser les habitants de la plaine, car ils avaient des chars de fer. God was with Judah, and he chased the people of the hills, but God was not able to destroy or to chase the people living in the valley, because they had iron chariots. Judges chapter 1 verse 19. Judges chapter 1 verse 19. God destroyed or chased the people on the hills, on the people living on the hill, on the hill. But God was not able to chase or destroy the people living in the valley, because they have iron chariots. Meaning, if you have an iron chariot, the God of the Bible cannot see. Meaning, the God of the Bible fears iron chariot. And Luke is also saying that for with God all things are possible. And Luke is also saying that for with God all things are possible. Judges chapter 1 verse 19. God chased. Judges 1:19. It reads, the Lord helped Judah, the Lord helped the peoples of Judah, and they took possessions of the hill countries, but they did not capture Gaza, Askelon, Ekron, with their surrounding territories. These people have been living along the coast, had iron chariots, so the Lord was not able to drive them out. Ladies and gentlemen, so if Luke chapter 1 verse 37 is saying that for with God all things are possible, and Judges is also saying that the Lord helped the people of Judah, and they took possessions of the hill countries, but they did not capture Gaza, Askelon, or Ekron with their surrounding territories. These people living along the coast had iron chariot, so he was not able to drive them out. So God was not able to chase out the people living in Gaza, Askelon, and the surrounding territories. Why? Because they have iron chariots. God could not drive these people out because they had iron chariot. And Luke is also saying that for with God all things are possible. Ladies and gentlemen, he's also saying that for with God all things are possible, car rien n'est impossible à Dieu. Car rien n'est impossible à Dieu. And this one is also saying that no, something is impossible. Judges So Judges 1:19 against Luke 1:37. Choose one. Choose one. So our question is God omnipotent? The answer is no. He is not omnipotent because he can't drive out people who have iron chariots. Simple and clear. He cannot. What I say, so God cannot. And this is a God. Voici le Dieu. Les gens m'encouragent d'embrasser. Voici le Dieu. Les gens m'encouragent d'embrasser. Le Dieu qui ne peut pas chasser ceux qui ont des chars de fer. Le Dieu qui a peur de ceux qui ont les chars de fer. Vous m'encouragez d'embrasser ce Dieu. Pour qu'il me fasse quoi au juste? Qu'est-ce que vous gagnez? Ladies and gentlemen, nous sommes sur le YouTube. Abonnez-vous sur notre page YouTube pour qu'on s'avance. This is Truth Telling Time. Our message has been going in English and Cree. Here is a French platform. You will make it in French too, so that people in France, Belgium, Canada, Côte d'Ivoire, Togo, Burkina Faso, Mali, and other French countries can also benefit of the message. Finally, Luke chapter 1 verse 37. For with God all things are possible. But in Judges chapter 1 verse 19, we saw that God was unable. God was not able to drive out the people living in the valley for the simple fact that they have iron chariot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Truth Telling Time. Brain at work. Brain at work. Now, mama me fan kabo wejamu. Wa opeso unya tractor, fresh one. I free Egypt. Italy. Akodobeye jumanu. O contact ye number 054-123-2463. O contact sa number na. Yebe ni nkomo na bibia ko ye. O ti ase. What person support you so the same number. What person to your phone. If you have an advice for us, it is on the same number. So if you want to advise through Telegram support, or you are in need, you are a businessman, you are in need of tractor, fresh one from Italy. If you contact the number on the screen, you will talk and you will see the arrangement. It will be shifted from Italy directly to you, and you'll be the first person to use. If you want second hand or brand new tractor brand new, you will get it. So the question is God omnipotent? Is God omnipotent? Est-ce que Dieu est omnipotent? And the answer is no. He is not. He cannot drive out